Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of oral hygiene with a closer look at the Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, a cordless, rechargeable oral irrigator designed for deep cleaning. If you've been on the hunt for a water flosser that combines convenience with power, this one promises 4 cleaning modes, a 360-degree rotating nozzle, and a large 300-millimeter water tank to keep your routine uninterrupted. But how well does it actually perform? Let's find out. This flosser is designed to give you more control over your oral care, offering 4 different intensity settings, ranging from a gentle rinse for sensitive gums to a stronger jet for deeper cleaning. Its 360-degree rotatable nozzle helps reach tricky areas. IPX7 waterproofing means you can even use it in the shower. And with a Type-C fast charging system, you won't be stuck waiting forever to power it up. On paper, it seems like a solid choice for home and travel use. But let's talk about the experience of actually using it. Setting it up was quick and hassle-free. Just fill the 300-milliliter water tank, select your mode, and you're ready to go. The multiple settings are a plus, especially if you need to adjust for gum sensitivity or stubborn plaque buildup. The rotating nozzle does help get into hard-to-reach areas, but for first-time users, there's a bit of a learning curve to avoid splashing. As for noise, it's quieter than some bulkier models, though not completely silent. Now, let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: customizable cleaning. The 4 modes allow you to tailor the pressure to your needs. 360-degree rotating nozzle, a game changer for reaching those tricky spots. Waterproof design, shower-friendly and easy to clean. Large 300-milliliter tank, fewer refills mean a smoother flossing experience. Fast Type-C charging, convenient and efficient. Cons: slight learning curve. First-time users may experience splashing until they get the hang of it. Not the most compact for travel. While portable, it's bulkier than some travel-specific models. No storage case for nozzles would have been a nice addition for organization. If you're finding this review helpful so far, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more people looking for oral care solutions can discover this video. When it comes to value for money, this flosser sits in the mid-range category. The build quality feels solid, and the large tank and multiple settings justify the price. However, if you're on a budget, you might find cheaper alternatives with fewer modes but similar core functionality. For comparison, Waterpick models tend to have higher pressure and more nozzle options, but they also come with a steeper price tag. On the flip side, more affordable brands may lack the waterproofing or fast charging convenience. If you prioritize versatility and ease of use, this one strikes a balance. The construction is sturdy and the waterproofing adds durability, but long-term reliability would depend on proper maintenance, like regularly cleaning the nozzle and avoiding overcharging. While I haven't had a direct experience with customer support, the brand itself doesn't have a strong reputation for premium after-sales service. That said, most users won't need support unless they run into a defect. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, some basic models with manual pressure control could save you a few bucks, but you'll likely be giving up features like the rotating nozzle and fast charging. Final verdict? This is a well-rounded water flosser that delivers on its claims, especially with the customizable settings and waterproof build. It's ideal for those who want a balance between power and convenience without going for the premium price of top-tier brands. If you don't mind the slight learning curve, it's a solid addition to your oral care routine. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you want to check this flosser out, you'll find the link in the comments. Have you used a water flosser before? Let me know your thoughts below. Until next time, keep that smile sparkling.